Facing something went wrong in Gemini. Here I will show you how to fix it. Now I want you to end to know everything. First, we are going to clear the cache. Here is how. Go to your phone setting. Now slide until you find application management. And here click on app list here. And here search for Gemini on the search box like this. You can see now, click on it. Here click on storage and cache here. Now here click on clear storage here. Because know that if you click on OK for this clear cache to process, you will resign in order to fix the something went wrong problem. Now here click on OK here. Now after trying it here, it still repeats. What you do here is to go to your app store or your play store. Here I will use play store for an example. Now here go to your play store, click on it. Now here click on search section and then search for Google here like this. Google. Now click on it like this. Now what you do now is to update your Google. Check if your Google is up to date here like this. You can see mine is not up to date, and click on update here to update it and wait for it to complete the downloading. I will skip it. Now after the downloading is complete, now go back again and then click on search again and search for Gemini. Now update the Gemini here. After updating it, now open the Gemini. Now open the Gemini here. Now as you can see, something went wrong, have been removed and also been fixed here. And also the Gemini is up to date now. Now here you can see it even add new features to it. So if you found the video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials on GTECHAI. See you on the next one.